Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the fantastic world of Canon cameras, picking out the top 5 models you should consider in 2024, whether you're a seasoned pro or a complete beginner. Before we jump into our countdown, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Links and prices will be included in the description. So grab your favorite lens and let's get started. Number 5. Canon EOS R10. The Canon EOS R10 might be small in size, but it packs a punch for beginner and enthusiast photographers. This mirrorless camera features a 24MP APS-C sensor, capable of delivering crisp and clear stills. It even dips its toes into the video world with impressive 4K recording, though with a slight crop. But the real star of the show is the autofocus system. Lightning fast and accurate, it locks onto subjects with laser focus, ensuring you capture those fleeting moments you don't want to miss. Whether you're documenting precious family moments, embarking on creative photography adventures, or globetrotting and capturing your travels, the EOS R10 is a perfect companion. Its compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry around all day, so you'll never be weighed down by bulky equipment. And despite its size, it offers a comfortable grip and intuitive button layout, allowing you to focus on composing stunning shots. While the EOS R10 is fantastic for everyday photography, it also excels in capturing action. The rapid continuous shooting speed means you can freeze fleeting moments in time, perfect for candid shots of kids playing or unexpected wildlife encounters. The improved image stabilization helps reduce blur caused by camera shake, ensuring your photos remain crisp even at slower shutter speeds. It's worth noting that the EOS R10 is a crop sensor camera, which means the sensor is smaller than a full-frame sensor. This can impact low-light performance compared to some full-frame options. However, the EOS R10 still handles itself admirably in low-light situations, and the high ISO performance allows you to capture usable images without excessive noise creeping in. If you're a beginner photographer looking for a versatile and easy-to-use camera, or an enthusiast seeking a compact and powerful companion for everyday adventures, the Canon EOS R10 is a fantastic choice. It offers exceptional image quality, impressive autofocus, and a portable design that makes it easy to take anywhere. With the EOS R10 in your hand, you'll be well on your way to capturing stunning photos and videos that will tell your unique story. Number 4. Canon EOS R5. The Canon EOS R5 isn't just another camera. It's a powerhouse designed for photography enthusiasts and professionals who refuse to compromise on image quality. This full-frame mirrorless camera packs a whopping 45MP sensor, capturing exceptional detail that translates into stunning photos. You can crop heavily for specific compositions or create large, high-quality prints without sacrificing a shred of sharpness. But the EOS R5 isn't a one-trick pony. It caters to videographers as well, boasting professional-grade 8K video recording capabilities. This allows you to capture breathtakingly cinematic footage, perfect for weddings, documentaries, or even short films. Whether you're primarily a photographer, a videographer, or someone who thrives in both worlds, the R5 is a versatile tool that can seamlessly adapt to your creative vision. Speed is another defining characteristic of the EOS R5. It shoots at an impressive 20 frames per second with blackout-free viewing, ideal for capturing fast-paced action or those fleeting moments that disappear in a blink. This is further amplified by the camera's phenomenal autofocus system, which tracks and locks onto subjects with lightning speed and pinpoint accuracy. You won't miss that decisive shot ever again. Built for the demands of professional use, the EOS R5 sports a robust magnesium alloy body that can withstand the bumps and bruises of everyday shooting. Weather sealing protects it from dust and moisture, making it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures or unpredictable weather conditions. The intuitive button layout and customizable controls allow for quick adjustments and a smooth shooting experience, ensuring you stay focused on capturing the perfect moment. It's important to consider battery life, especially when dealing with a camera as powerful as the R5. Shooting high-resolution photos or recording lengthy videos can drain the battery quickly. Investing in extra batteries is a wise decision for extended shooting sessions. Number 3. Canon EOS R6 Mark II. The Canon EOS R6 Mark II strikes a brilliant balance between resolution, low-light performance, and video features, making it a fantastic all-rounder for photographers and videographers. Here's a closer look. Sweet spot resolution. The R6 Mark II boasts a 20MP full-frame sensor, a perfect sweet spot between resolution and low-light capabilities. This sensor delivers sharp and detailed images, ensuring your photos remain crisp even in challenging lighting situations. While it might not boast the megapixel monster status of the R5, it still packs enough punch for most photographers. Lights, camera, action. Don't let the well-rounded nature of the R6 Mark E fool you. It excels in low-light conditions. The sensor performs admirably at higher ISOs, allowing you to capture usable images without excessive noise creeping in. This makes it a great choice for photographers who frequently shoot in dimly lit environments like weddings, concerts, or astrophotography. Video powerhouse. Videographers will be thrilled with the R6 Mark E's capabilities. It offers incredible 4K 60p footage, perfect for capturing smooth cinematic motion. Whether you're creating professional videos, travel vlogs, or social media content, the R6 Mark 80 can deliver stunning results. Focus on what matters. The autofocus system on the R6 Mark E is tenacious. It locks onto subjects with impressive speed and accuracy, ensuring they remain sharp even in fast-paced scenarios or when shooting with shallow depths of field. This makes it a great camera for capturing action shots, wildlife on the move, or portraits with beautiful bokeh effects. Built to last, the R6 Mark E isn't just about impressive specs, it's built to last. The camera features a robust magnesium alloy body that can withstand the rigors of everyday use. Weather sealing protects it from dust and moisture, making it a reliable companion for outdoor shoots, regardless of the conditions. Battery considerations. While the battery life on the R6 Mark E is decent, it's not the best, especially for extended video shoots or long photography sessions. Having spare batteries is recommended to avoid missing those crucial moments. Number 2. Canon EOS R5. The Canon EOS R5 remains a king among full-frame mirrorless cameras, especially for photography enthusiasts and professionals who demand the absolute best. There's a breakdown in under 400 words. Uncompromising resolution. The R5 boasts a monstrous 45np sensor, capturing exceptional detail that translates into awe-inspiring photos. You can crop heavily for specific compositions or create large, high-quality prints without sacrificing sharpness. It's a dream come true for photographers who want the freedom to edit extensively or produce massive prints. Dual threat, photo and video powerhouse, the R5 isn't a stills-only champion. It caters to videographers as well. Focus on what matters. The autofocus system on the R6 Mark E is tenacious. It locks onto subjects with impressive speed and accuracy, ensuring they remain sharp even in fast-paced scenarios or when shooting with shallow depths of field. This makes it a great camera for capturing action shots, wildlife on the move, or portraits with beautiful bokeh effects. Built to last, the R6 Mark E isn't just about impressive specs, it's built to last. The camera features a robust magnesium alloy body that can withstand the rigors of everyday use. Weather sealing protects it from dust and moisture, making it a reliable companion for outdoor shoots, regardless of the conditions. Battery considerations. While the battery life on the R6 Mark E is decent, it's not the best, especially for extended video shoots or long photography sessions. Having spare batteries is recommended to avoid missing those crucial moments. Number 1. Canon EOS R3. The Canon EOS R3 reigns supreme as the ultimate speed machine for professional photographers specializing in action and wildlife photography. Here's why it takes the top spot. Built for split-second moments. The core of the R3's dominance lies in its stacked 24MP full-frame sensor with blackout-free viewing. This innovative technology allows you to see exactly what the camera captures in real time, crucial for those fleeting moments that define action in wildlife photography. Imagine a cheetah sprinting across the plains. With the R3, you see exactly what's in frame, ensuring perfect timing and composition for capturing that once-in-a-lifetime shot. Unmatched autofocus. The autofocus system on the R3 is nothing short of phenomenal. It tracks even the fastest subjects with pinpoint accuracy, ensuring they remain sharp and in focus. Whether it's a soaring bird in flight, a race car blurring by, or a wild animal on the hunt, the R3 locks on with laser focus, guaranteeing you capture the decisive moment with incredible detail. Speed is king. Speed is another defining characteristic of the R3. It boasts a blazing fast continuous shooting speed, allowing you to capture rapid sequences of action without missing a beat. This is perfect for capturing the peak of an athlete's jump, the exact moment a predator strikes, or the precise wing beat of a bird in flight. Every crucial movement is documented in stunning detail. Professional build quality. The R3 is built to withstand the rigors of professional use in challenging environments. The robust magnesium alloy body ensures it can endure bumps and scrapes, while weather sealing protects it from dust, moisture, and unpredictable weather conditions. Whether you're shooting on a dusty safari or braving the elements during a sporting event, the R3 is a reliable companion that can handle anything you throw at it. A note on battery life. The power of the R3 translates to higher battery consumption, especially when shooting high-speed bursts or recording long sequences. Investing in extra batteries is crucial to avoid missing those critical moments when your camera runs out of juice. Remember, the best camera is the one that fits your needs and budget. There are fantastic options for everyone in Canon's lineup. Let me know in the comments below which Canon camera you're eyeing, and if you have any questions, fire away. Hit that like button and subscribe for more photography content. Until next time, happy shooting.